Hey ChatGPT, tell me 10 mistakes trader makes and tell me how I can fix them. I want you to argue. Number 1. Trading without a plan. Most traders wing it and then pretend the market is unfair. No plan, no rules, no structure. My argument: if you don't know what you are trying to do, how you can complain when it doesn't work? Write a plan that includes entry criteria, exit criteria, stop loss rules, position sizing, max daily loss. If you can't write it down, you're not trading, you're gambling. Number 2. Risking too much per trade. The mistake. Traders say, this one looks really good, and I throw 20-50% of their account at it. My argument: if you blow up your account because you felt confident, that's not bad luck, that's bad discipline. Risk 1 to 2% per trade, no exceptions. A single loss should never ruin your month, much less your account. Number 3. Moving stops or not using stops. You enter a trade, it goes against you, and you say, I will just give it some room. My argument: price isn't going against you, you're going against reality. Always predefine stop loss. Take profit, never move a stop further away, move it toward profit only. Revenge trading. You take a loss, get emotional, take another trade to win it back. You think you are proving something to the market, but the market doesn't even know you exist. That's so real. That's so real. After every loss, impose a mandatory 5-minute break or 1 trade cool down. Your goal is to recover your mindset, not your money. Number 5. Overtrading. You think more trades, more money. If trading more made people rich, casinos would go bankrupt. Fix: give yourself a max number of trades per day, a strict setup list, 3 to 5 only. If it doesn't fit a setup, you don't touch it. Chasing FOMO breakouts. You buy high because it looks like it's raining. If you join the party after everyone's already drunk, don't be shocked when the lights come on. Only enter trades during planned breakout levels, pullbacks, setup triggers. If you didn't plan the trade before it happened, you shouldn't take it. 7. Ignoring higher time frames. You stare at the 1-minute chart like it's telling you secrets. You're trying to navigate a forest with your face pressed against a tree. Top-down analysis. Higher time frame trend. Key support, resistance. Then entry on small time frame. Context first, entry second. 8. Having zero data on their performance. You don't track trades, you just know your strategy works. If you can't prove your system works, then it probably doesn't. Entry, exit, reason for trade, risk to reward, emotional rating. Patterns will reveal themselves, both good and bad. 9. Mixing strategies. One day you scalp, next day you swing, next day you do whatever a YouTuber said. You can't become consistent with inconsistent behavior. Pick one strategy, master it, only add more once you have months of positive data. Yeah? 10. Expecting quick riches. Thinking you will turn $500 into $50,000 in a year. Trading is the only professional where people expect expert results with beginner's effort. Focus on survival, consistency, scaling, process over profit, learning over earning, in the early stages. If you chase quick money, you will donate your account to someone who didn't. If you are making these mistakes, that's not good for you. Bye bye.